A stone is dropped from a height 90 centimeter above the top of a window 160 centimeter high. The time taken by the stone to cross the window. So understand the situation. So suppose that this is the window somewhere at this point. Now window has length, let's say L1 is equal to 160 centimeter, or let's say L, and the height of the top of the from the top of the window, which is 90 centimeters, so which can be written as 0.9 meter, and this can be written as 0.16 meter. Correct. Suppose a pebble is being dropped. So if a pebble is dropped from here, so let's say it takes t1 time coming from this point, and then it takes t2 time covering L plus h distance, total distance. So we can utilize S is equal to ut plus half at square. Clearly I am taking downwards direction as a positive direction, so S is equal to, it will become, u is of course 0, so 0 plus half at square. That means we can apply F is equal to half at square, where A is simply g, so we can also utilize half gt square, or t can be written as 2s by g under root. So we can directly utilize this formula. So for the time t2 can be written as 2 under root of the total distance S is going to be L plus h by g. So t2 is equal to under root of 2, L is 0.16, h is 0.9. Okay, so there is a mistake. This is not 0.16, this is 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. So this is 1.6 meter by divided by 9.8. So now this will be 2 into 2.5 divided by 9.8. This point will be finished. This will be 2 to cancelled out. This will be 49. So 25 by 49 square root. So this will become 5 by 7 second. So this is the case number 1 when we are talking about total time from the top to the bottom of the window. Now we want to calculate the value of t1. So for t1 we want this distance h, so which is under root of 2h by g, under root of 2 into 0.9 by 9.8. This is 4.9. This point will be finished. So this is 9 upon 49. So the value of t1 will be 3 by 7 seconds, right? So now the final time we want, time taken in crossing the window, right? So let's say delta t will be t2 minus t1, 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7, 2 by 7 seconds, right? So 2 by 7 means option number 2, 2 by 7 should be the right choice for us in order to cross the window by the pebble.